If you're looking for a business that is simple, low cost, and can earn you between $3,000 to $5,000 a month, storefront window cleaning is going to be, in my belief, one of the best starter businesses that you can choose. Now, I started my business from scratch, no business experience, barely any money, and I've built up my business to earn between $4,000 to $5,000 a month in recurring income. Now, I did this because this business model has the core components of a great business model. It has all of the great reasons or great aspects that make a good business. But before I go into that, who is this course for? This course is for the person that's making a minimum wage, low wage job. Maybe you're making 18, 20, $22 an hour, and you don't have flexibility of your schedule. You don't have control over your day. You got to go work a low wage job and be stuck there for 6 to 8 hours, and you don't have freedom. You can't take a break when you want to take a break. You can't leave. You have to answer to somebody. This course is for anyone who wants to take ownership of their income producing your life. You want to take control over how you make money. You want to make money on your terms. You don't want to have to answer to somebody. That's who this course is for. Is for you, the person that wants to start making money on your own terms, and you are ready to take a chance with business. And now you're probably researching tons of businesses. I did the same thing before I started this business. I looked into all sorts of businesses, and I chose this business because this business was very simple, very easy to start, and a very easy skill to learn and master. So that's who this course is for. This course is for the individual who wants to break out of low wage work, get into something with more leverage, with more opportunity, with more potential to grow to 3 to 5K. Now I know $3,000 to $5,000 may not sound like a lot of money, but it is the start. When you get to $3,000 to $5,000 a month that you earn on your own through your own business, that is the foundation, the start, in which you can then expand into other services, other businesses. But think of it like education. This is a great starter business to educate yourself on the fundamentals of business, in which when you move forward, you can apply to any business. You learn the foundations, you learn sales, you learn marketing, you learn how to communicate to customers, you learn how to frame offers, you learn how to frame recurring packages, recurring work, and you learn, bookkeeping. You learn how to do your taxes. You learn all of the foundations of business with this simple starter business of storefront window cleaning. So that's who this course is for. This course is for the average Joe, the guy that's tired of making low wage work. You want to go into something with higher leverage, and most importantly, you have freedom and flexibility of your time, which is most valuable to me, is that I own my time. I don't answer to anybody. I am my own captain of my own ship. That's who this course is for. Okay, so now we're going to go into why storefront window cleaning is a great starter business. Now, reason number one is low startup costs. Let me clip this on my shirt so I can talk and write. So, low startup costs. This business you can start with $90, $100. You buy your basic tools at Home Depot, which I will show you in another module, and you can start going out and getting work, getting clients, getting paid. Number two reason is low overhead. So this business, there's very little ongoing expenses. You have your soap, you have your squeegee rubber, which you buy every few months. You do need a vehicle, you need a car, which you're going to be spending money on gas, which is a given. But besides that, there's really not much overhead. You could run this business very leanly, especially if you're doing this by yourself like myself. You are keeping most of the money that you make. Now, third reason why storefront window cleaning is a great starter business is there is a strong demand for this service, depending on where you live. So I'm assuming you live in a populated city area. I live in the LA Orange County area. There is a huge demand for window cleaning because there's businesses everywhere. And every business is going to need window cleaning. Every, clothing store, every restaurant, every dentist office, every real estate office, uh, what else? Pilates, yoga studios, they need recurring window cleaning. Now, why? Because these are high traffic areas and they need the windows cleaned. And the owners don't want to do it themselves, the employees don't want to do it, so they outsource it to business owners, people who will do the service. So there's a strong demand for storefront window cleaning. Third reason why this is a great starter business is that it provides recurring income. Now, windows are always going to get dirty. Always. Every 2 weeks, 4 weeks, month, they keep getting dirty. So it provides recurring income. You frame this to your clients as in, I provide recurring cleaning for businesses, so you don't have to worry about the cleaning. We put you on the calendar. You agree for either weekly, bi-weekly, monthly cleanings. We come by, we do the job, we send the invoice, and that's it. So these are 4 reasons why this is a great startup business. Low startup cost, low overhead. There's a strong demand and recurring income. So let's move on to the next step. Now, when I started, I didn't know anything about business. I didn't know about how to get customers. I didn't know anything. I started because of, like I told you, a video that inspired me to take action, to just walk into businesses and pitch myself. So that's what I did. I walked into businesses, I pitched myself, and I got rejected a lot, and I didn't even know how to clean the windows. I never watched a video on how to clean windows. But you know what? I still acted anyway. I took action. I got jobs. I did the jobs. I learned how to clean little by little. It's self-explanatory, but I will explain to you how to clean properly. And little by little, my business grew as I got more uh, customers, and I did good work, and I built trust with my customers. And when you build trust with them, they will come back to you. They will keep having you come back and providing services for them. And that is the foundation of how you build this business. You do good work, you're a kind, uh, friendly person, then they're going to want you to come back and clean. And that is how you build this business up to a level of income, $3,000 to $5,000 a month, enough to you could sustain yourself. So that is the beauty of storefronts, is that storefronts are recurring, and you it provides you that stable foundation to build a business on. Okay, so this is going to be the 3 to 5K a month blueprint. So basically, I break down the averages of each sort of client that you're going to go after. So your average restaurant is roughly $150 per clean. Now, restaurants, for the most part, I clean on a bi-weekly basis. So 150 per clean times 2, since you're doing it every 2 weeks. You only need 10 restaurants to be making $3,000 a month. Now, average tea coffee shop, $60 a clean. Most tea shops is every month. So if you have 5 tea shops, 5 coffee shops, you have $300 a month. Now, average nail salon is going to be $60 per clean. You just need 5 spas to also make $300 a month. There's nail spas everywhere. There's hundreds of nail spas. You can get 5 of them easily. You can probably get more than 5. Now, dentist offices always need cleaning as well. Now, dentist offices, depending on the size, I'm going to go more into pricing. This is just on average. Average dentist office is roughly $120 per clean. You only need 5 of those to be making $600 a month. So with only 20 or with only 30 clients, 10, 15, no, 10, 15, 20, 25. Fuck me. This is supposed to be 25. Let me erase that. You can make $4,200 a month. Now, some restaurants is going to be more than that. Some restaurants I have clients where I charge $220 per clean, so it's even more. So depending on the size of the restaurant, these are just averages, but you can see how you don't need hundreds of clients to make the 3 to 5K a month. The foundation earning potential. You only really need, you know, 20 to 50 clients, and you could be making more than $5,000 a month. So the earning potential is there. This is just a basic visual so you can see the average of the type of business and how many clients you need to make roughly this range, 3 to 5K a month. Okay, now we're going to be talking about the common fears that hold people back. I have 4 common fears. Number 1 is I need a business license. Now, the truth is when you're starting, you don't need a business license. Yeah, maybe legally you should, but I mean, honestly, when you're starting, you don't need anything. Just prove to yourself that you could even do this in the first place or that you want to do this. Do a few jobs, see if you even like doing this. Maybe you don't even want to do this. You realize, I hate cleaning windows. I hate getting on ladders. And then you realize you don't want to do it. Okay, then don't get a business license. There's no need for getting all of these sort of legal stuff first. Just figure out if you even want to do this first. Number 2 is there's too much competition. Now there is competition. Any business is going to have competition, especially this one. There's going to be a lot of people that are out there, we call them bucket bobs, guys that do windows for like $10, $15. The thing about them is they're not really competition because they are bottom of the barrel. They do garbage work. They're not reliable. You are going to distinguish yourself from the competition by being reliable, by being professional, by being respectable, and doing a great job every time. You're going to position yourself as a legitimate professional service provider. So you will separate yourself from the majority of the competition. And another thing is there are windows everywhere. There is enough market for everybody. Next fear is I need lots of money to start. Like I said, this is one of the lowest startup cost business models. You don't need a lot of money. $100, you can start this business. You don't have $100, find a way to make $100 and then get that basic equipment. It's extremely doable. Maybe even $50 you can start this business with. So extremely low startup costs. That is an irrational fear. Last fear is I'm not a salesperson. I'm not a social person. I don't like to talk to people. You will have to get over your fear of talking to people to do this business because you are going to have to walk in and pitch businesses, especially when you're starting. You are going to have to get over the fear of talking to people. But the thing is, you're not really trying to convince them. It's not a strong sell. It's a very easy sell. You are offering a service that is helping their business. You are offering to make their lives easier, to solve a problem for them that they don't want to do. So you are adding value to their business. It's not a strong sell. It's an easy sell. So you don't worry about I'm not a salesperson. You are going to develop yourself to be the kind of person that just adds value wherever you go. You're adding value to these businesses by providing a service for them. So you're doing them a favor by help keeping their business looking its best. So these are the common fears that hold people back. And now we're going to be moving on to the next module where we're going to be discussing the basic tools that you need to get started, to start getting out, cleaning windows and making money. So this was the first module of my how to build a $3,000 to $5,000 a month storefront window cleaning route, side hustle or business. So I'm currently working on finishing the rest of the modules for the course. But if you purchase now, you get the early bird price, which is $59 for the early bird pre-order price, because the course is going to go up to $100 once the price or once the course is released. So go ahead if you're interested in that. The link is going to be down below. Click the link, you will secure your early bird price. So the rest of the modules are going to cover everything else of the system of how to build this business, from more on pricing, on tools, on how to do the cleanings, on how to secure recurring jobs with clients, and how to follow up, mindset, all of the different aspects on how you can build this 3 to 5K a month side hustle or business. And honestly, you can make your money back on the first day or first couple days of the course price is nothing. You're going to make that back fast, and you will see that it's pretty simple and straightforward. You just have to follow the system and you will make your money back, most of you probably on day one. So again, link down below. Click that if you're interested. Peace.